Hi guys, today I'll be sharing a drink recipe with you. This drink is called Zobo and it reminds me so much of my childhood. Let me show you how you can make it at home. We'll start prepping all the fruits we need for it. You need orange for it. This will help sweeten and enhance the flavor. You will also need ginger also for the flavor, and it adds a bit of spice to it. You'll also be needing cloves. I will just use 1 tablespoon cloves added there. It will help with a bit of spiciness and the flavor of our zobo. You will need a medium-sized pineapple. I'm using this pineapple. We're going to use like the peel, the back of the pineapple, and we're also going to use the main pineapple itself. I'll show you how to do it. I will add just this cut out to the oranges and the ginger, and we'll use it later. I'll just cut my pineapple into tiny bits, a tiny size that can fit into a blender and blend easily. And just like that. I will also be using dates. I've pitted the dates, so make sure you do that before you put it in your blender. Now let's go over to the zobo. This zobo is made from hibiscus flowers, dried hibiscus flowers. I got this from Amazon. I'll put the link from Amazon on my description, and it's an affiliate link, so you will be supporting me if you use it. I'll put the hibiscus flower in the pot and then add the oranges, the ginger and the cloves, and just add enough water to cover it, and it just looks like that. I'm going to put it in the heat now. And then I move over to blending my pineapple and my dates. This will help me sweeten the zobo drink, especially if you don't want to use sugar. I'm going to pass it through this tight sieve. Make sure I get out all the juice from it. We'll then go on and check on our zobo now, and it's boiling. I'm going to turn off the heat. This is our pineapple juice. I've let it cool down for a bit, and then I will strain it to get the juice and leave all the bits of leaves to it. And this is what we have. We're going to cover it and pop it in the fridge for at least 1 hour so it cools down very well. After that, you want to serve it. I'll first of all pour it into this glass jug that I have. I will also put the link on my description box. And you're ready to serve it. Serve it with some ice. It's summer, it's very warm, and pour it into the cup. You can sit down and enjoy your drink. This drink is very good. It's very healthy. I didn't add any artificial sweetening to it, and it's very good for the summer. It's ice cold, and you can enjoy it with family members. Thank you for watching. Like and share this video if you have enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one.